Okay, so I'm gonna be answering exercise 9 on test 2 part 1 on mechanical energy, conservation of mechanical energy. So the graph is saying is showing a spring. Spring is going backwards, and then at a certain point, they have this block, which this block is being released from point A to point B. Um, it's telling us to find the max height. It's giving us the mass of the block, the K values for the block, and the the distance, and the X value, which is 7.7 times 10 to the negative 2 meters. All right, so to find the height, we're gonna be working with mechanical conservation. So, mechanical conservation says that, um, okay, so that an energy mechanical or mechanical energy of A equals mechanical energy of B. So let's write out what we have. So we have our kinetic energy. So it's one half mv of A squared plus potential energy. So it's no. So it's not one half, but it is mgh, which is the height of A, plus the compression, one half kx squared equals one half mv squared of B plus mgh B plus the compression. But since we don't have compression in point B, we know that we don't need it. So that's going to be our value of 0. As kinetic energy, in A, we don't have kinetic energy in A, and we don't have potential energy in B. All that we left off with is the compression. So pretty much that just solves the problem. So it's going to be one half kx squared equals one half nv squared of B. So let's just plug that into our problem. So HB, which is that's what they're looking for. They're looking for the height of B equals one half kx squared equals kx squared over mg. Um, again, hb equals one half of what is k. Let's see find out what k is. K was 10. 10 times, or what, I don't know what it is. 7 times 10 to the 2 squared over 110. And our k is also, our 10 is to the third power. Forgot to put that. Equals 1 half. So if you take out 110 from here, 110 from here, we end up with 100 times 49 times 10 to the negative 4 over 2. Okay, all right. That becomes 110, 10, 10, 100. Let me see if I get this right. 10, 10, 5. Okay, so we have 1 half times 10 squared times 10 to the 4th times 49 HB equals 1 half yada yada yada. Let me see. All right. So just to speed up this process, once you do all of this, you end up with 5 over 20, which comes out to 1 over 4 meters. So our height at B is 0.25 meters, and that is the answer.